everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome to Site Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how much the battery will consume if you are using always on display in this Redmi K20 Pro, guys. So here you can see the model what I'm using in this video: Snapdragon 855 and 8 GB RAM and 128 GB model, guys. So now let me enable the always on feature by going into the display options. So you can find ambient display, guys. So right now the feature is enabled. So I have chosen this wallpaper, guys. So you got plenty of different themes which you can choose for the always on display. So I choose this one, and right now the battery percentage is of 100%. I charged it to 100%, guys. Now I'm disconnecting from the charger, as you can see here, and the time is around 6 p.m. and let me turn off the Wi-Fi as well, so I'll get a clear idea how much the battery will consume with the always on display enabled without using the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or 4G. So right now I'm using dual SIM, guys, two 4G SIMs in this. So I'll be recording the video after 2 hours and we can check how much the battery got drained. So guys, after 3 hours of testing this always on display, you can see the battery drop to the 96%. So overall there is an decrease in of 1%, 1 to 2%, guys, for every 1 hour in this Redmi K20 Pro if you are using always on display. So that's, guys, this is a small test on this phone, whether the always on display will consume more battery or not. So overall you can expect up to 1 to 2% of drop in battery percentage, guys, in this Redmi K20 Pro. So for more videos on this phone, subscribe to my channel, guys. Check the links in the description for a playlist full of which contain full videos of Redmi K20 Pro. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye.